This wig is like chef kiss. I am obsessed. Y'all did y'all big one, okay?
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I will be installing this wig. That I got from Arabella here. Here we have our wig. You do get a little gift bag, so I'm just going to show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So they send you some lashes, you also get some wig caps, a edge brush, and then their mouth band. Alright y'all, so with your wig, mine does say 26" on the bag. So on the inside of your wig, they do send you some tape, so you get some tape, and also this is an extra piece of elastic band to attach to your wig for extra security. And this is the really good stretchy heavy duty type. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like. As you guys can see, the knots are bleached, but there is no clips or any combs on the inside. But like I said, they do provide you with the elastic band, that way you can attach to your unit. Alright you guys, so this is what the hairline on this unit is looking like. She does look pre-plucked, the knots are bleached. So far she's looking really good. First thing that I'm doing with this wig is just going in with my hot comb, making sure that she's laying completely flat. We do not want a bumpy wig. That does not look cute. And I'm also taking my rat tail comb, making sure that the parting space is super straight. I am going for a center part. Then I'm just using my wax stick to mold it, make sure all the flyaways are down. Now I'm just cutting off all the excess lace. And this wig definitely had a lot of excess lace. I even wasn't sure whether or not my wig was actually positioned in the center or the side. Like, it looked like it was a center part, but it also could pass for a side part. So I was kind of like just playing around with the hair, seeing which way I actually wanted to wear the hair, because like I said, I had a lot of lace to work with, so I was trying to like use up all the lace that I can. What I like about this wig is it comes already in a, I'm not even sure whether or not it's really a center part or a side part, because I honestly can flip it either which way and it kind of looks good. So yeah, I do like that about it. Now I'm just going to take my Ebin One Delay Spawn and we're just going to lay this down. This spray right here in a black bottle is the True Light. It is sweat resistant. My wig does not lift at all until I'm ready to lift it. Y'all, definitely hands down one of the best lace adhesives I have tried. I don't use glue, so this just works perfect for me. It does not irritate my skin, and my wig stays on no matter how much I sweat, because got to be spray got nothing on this one right here, I could tell you that much. Now that the wig is completely secured onto my head, I'm using the melt band just to let my lace really melt into my skin while I style the rest of the hair. And to style this wig, I'm doing some really big loose curls. I'm also using my flat iron to do this. Is it me, or it is so much easier to curl your hair with a flat iron compared to a curling iron? Me personally, I just feel like curling irons are for people that's actually used to curling their hair and you just know how to. If you're a beginner at doing curls, just start off with a flat iron. It will be so much easier for you. It's a lot easier to manage, and I feel like you'll just kind of like get the hang of it. So yeah, for the beginners, definitely start with a flat iron when attempting to curl your hair.
I get flies just like I looted up. All this money you talking ain't new to us. I'm the king of New York and on God. If Pop was alive, it would have been too. I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out. Hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow. Like him by the reaches from pillow. Ask around, niggas know me. I'm a year boy, you know me.
Now I'm just sectioning off some hair to add some baby hairs to this unit. I'm going to let you guys finish watching the rest of this install. Then I will be back after installing the hair to give you guys a little bit more tea on the hair.
Okay, I'm sick and I'm tired, I'm out of fatigue. None of my bitches be mine. They could have been one of y'all, they out of your league. I'ma just call her Fatima. Now that ain't really her name, but she for the team. I get flies just like I looted up. All this money you talking ain't new to us. I'm the king of New York and on God. If Pop was alive, it would have been too. I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow,
iced out. Hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow. Like him by the Regis and Pello. Ask around, niggas know me. I'm a year boy, Ginobili. I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow. Iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow. Like him by the Regis and Pello. Ask around, niggas know me. I'm a year boy, Ginobili. Pull up like X from the cleanest, Asian Alphinas. I make a movie, sell out arenas. She off the white token, Demi Lovato. All of my denims is murder bravado. AP Audemars with Aquafina. Hair like Ike, singing like Dana. Yeah, you on my body, sneaking got no creases. They limited, baby, tell me if you see it. My diamonds dancing, paint a face like Marilyn Manson. They roll up that woo, run straight from Cali. They get a plate from Sally's. Queen of Blue trial, they set him up. These niggas mad as fuck. You know what I rep, yeah, it's tatted up. You ain't get fucked cause your ass ain't fatted up. If you talk crazy, get batted up. Yeah, I like my bitches, red bone. Ice fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out. Hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow. Like him by the Regis and Pello. Ask around, niggas know me.
Alright you guys, so this is pretty much what the wig is looking like now that I'm finished with installing her. Y'all, I am feeling myself so much. This wig is from Arabella here. I will have all the details on this unit linked down below in my description box if you guys are interested in this unit. So this wig is their 26 inch and it's pretty long. The hair is true to length. I love the fact that it's like full all the way true down to the ends of the hair, as you guys can see. Also, I got it in a 26 inch and she is long. Like, I'm sitting and the wig could almost touch like my thighs. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. I just took my hot comb, not my hot comb, my flat iron, and like did a little loose curl. As you guys can see, she is gorgeous. I love the color. The unit does come with the knots bleach. It also comes with the hairline pre-plucked. So I did not need to go in and pluck any excess hair. I did kind of add some baby hairs on the sides, as you guys can see. And just pretty much curled up the hair. But that was about it. Honestly, it was really easy to install. I'm happy that I did not have to go in and do too much work. Because y'all know me, I love my lazy girl friendly wigs. And yeah, so this one I'm happy that I did not have to go in and do too much work. Also, so far I'm not receiving any shedding or any tangling from this unit. And from what I know, I have worked with this company before. Like, their wigs, their hair quality is like a really good quality. The wig definitely will last you a while. I'm just not too sure how long the curls are gonna hold up because I did not add any products, and honestly I don't have any holding spread to like hold the curls either way. So yeah, that's the only thing. Baby, but this hair quality is like really good. Like, the wig turned out beautiful. I am obsessed. Like, this is so gorgeous. I'm definitely keeping this one. You guys know I do sell all my wigs once I'm done reviewing them, but this one, she has stayed in my archives. And yeah, comment down below and let me know how are you guys feeling her. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right here. That way you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.